Hello guys, it's Gabriel here from Orion Audio. Finally, after CES, we got your contest winners. It's been a long journey, but we have taken into consideration all the people that not just shared our Instagram post, but also comment on Google+, YouTube, or Facebook, and all social media stuff. So it was only not sharing or giving likes, but also, comments were taken into consideration as well. Finally, we're giving not only 3 but 4 winners. Our first place will be getting this HEC 8.1D SPL amplifier. The winner is Rick Milowan from Ohio. You're getting this one. Our second place goes to Jose Luna. Jose Luna will take the XTR 2500.1DZ. Remember the new series? So Jose Luna, you got this one. Our third place, it's Michael Ronald Burgos. Michael Ronald Burgos will get this XTR 1500.1DZ, again from the new series. Our fourth place will take this Cobalt amplifier, which is the CB 1500.1D, and his name is Nathan Cerruti. Nathan, I remember you have won before also. Thanks for keeping track on our social media and for being comment and sharing our stuff. We're gonna be giving you new stuff in the following months, in the following weeks. We're gonna receive a lot of new products. Some of you guys already saw our videos from the CES show, so keep tracking on social media, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'll see you later.